Ebusia wiase na ewo mu no ho. Anything can be so wicked to the point they say, onya hwiyo as obetimi edo akoto asan ene amane ne nkwanhia mu. Now we say in this particular video bedin komo afa how one lady bi enka odi Uber driver ekoto ensohwe mu. Onya hwe Uber driver ne nye ne hwe. But anka odi ne akoto asan ene nkwanhia mu. Mema nkyere mu no akyere wadwen ama me. Ewo comment section. How you Penyah block media. Make sure say any demo. Obe like hit video no that mo subscribe button stand back the notification icon for latest updates. Now back to the wide and ama me ewo comment section so baso. No share for onya bi ahwe. Ofa America o man esi wo no mo a omo mfa mra eni agro. Omo mfa lawsuit eni agro. Tudin se mu no okoye adeketuo bi atia obi a said obesi ede wagina mra nanim no. Ofiri mu fi a. Ahwe nipa no twam kwa na o ma no o ma wo ho mfram akora emfa no ho. Kwa ahwe obesiro no. Now no America, omo mra e cover omo Uber. Omo emra no say Uber driver bi eye ade bi a say wani enhyara enye ho ne ade a obetim de naba to Uber safety hwan omo was some committee bi body bi a obetim de Uber driver across pick car number no date anytime or that the good AC here. So wait me go take the photograph of that driver take it. Never bra or the bar. Omo ever carry that driver no on. In fact, you be born a car agisika pudwo bi the amount. Edu hemu a okwa America. On the 13th of September 2025. Enibakuo bi ebo Uber driver bi ka. Oma sem nyina ne say they are persons of disabilities. They say omu edi dem. Enipa omu edi dem. It omu order for Uber. But Uber driver be do no hu say enkofu we mu no. Sebi omu edi dem no. Oh yeah, say onfa omu because according to a driver no, there was a time of Uber offer persons with some disability but go do ya no or braye on say Uber so the time and ya adwuma but go do ya no na say time no kra ko but also ntimi ka say oh this can be account any ade na say akoy e how to on the no was so say on for persons with disabilities biem e di dank of ko no so e order o man kire mu say o mu buki no o man say there are people of disability no say o mu a place o mu order but Uber don't go do hono no say there because ko no o mu ye persons with disabilities no wan fa wo mu fa wan fo mu no omo de ne call court ema court ejina omo mra no achi etia Uber driver no ema court e ka say Uber driver no entia an amount of $125 million Frank of no for denying their right. So omo jina ho ache abuku beduru a o say on fa wo mu what I say and what there was another case obi efa Uber obedure no wala je say in the course of the journey no na ka Uber driver person o rape no there was a sexual assault eloso no or the Uber driver no e call court e ma ha no court ejine nipa kurachi e ma court e ka che Uber driver say own to an amount of $8.5 million not just say US honor no there Uber drivers for no uye least mistake obi betwa wo damage na eno ana busua na nsan mu eno achi video bi pop up on the internet. Next video ni mo no one man be as or social media ne so ni din a do honum Dright the producer we say or yeah musician singer songwriter and also a music producer also produce music na aside that no also a Uber driver. Now this driver and offer lady ebooking say any or call baby it obooking or buy ya or be far ride omutike ma omuko na say lady no I show some kind of strange attitude be as a kind of team as the lady feels unsafe out of nowhere as the lady is pretending to feel unsafe and that's the name she be Emma lady nya gogoduro etwen phone efre Uber Safety Commission omo USA Emma na ology complain say wafa Uber car bi na she feels unsafe Emma oma car ni details nyame ya do ko duru bia woduru si form so a o se onsi mo ko duru bia ofa Uber n se okọ ho no mo moduru driver si bo nyame ya do beduru si form a lady si onsi eno that so take care ni mu lodge complain say she feels unsafe baby driver ni dey nam no onim ho bia na she feels unsafe.
He's videoing me now.
Yeah, for my safety.
If you feel endangered, I would refer you to call the police.
So what do you provide as a safety line?
She says she feels unsafe. I'm sitting here, obviously, have my seatbelt on. Nothing's going on. She's sitting back there. She refuses to get out of my vehicle. So I'm recording for my safety.
Is there any store or is there anything in the area that you're in that you can go in and wait for your next Uber driver?
As you can see, there's businesses right in front of us. You see the businesses. She's saying she don't feel safe, but she refuses to get out. She can go right to the business over there. There's chairs. She can sit there with her things and wait for her next Uber.
He's gonna drive off with my packages. I mean, this is like, I've never had this before. I'm pretty surprised that you're not able to provide more assistance other than call the police. I have an expensive package in the trunk. If I get out, what if he drives off with it?
Now she's saying I might drive off with her things when I can clearly just take them out and place them over the side.
Get out of his car and he's on the phone with the authorities. You could get your package and wait for your next Uber.
But how do I get the package? I need him to open the trunk.
Open the trunk.
Okay.
You can ask him to open the trunk.
Well, I'll do that right now. Whatever gets you out of here, I don't care. I'll open it. You get your package. Whatever you need to do. I'm going to get her package out of the back because she's scared I'm going to take her package. This is her package. Getting her package out. I'll set it right here beside her so she can have it. Her package is out. Package is right there. I'm right here. I'm getting back into my vehicle.
You feel unsafe. See from so or see unsafe all because of who say 6 February 2026 year no. Ana obi era allege say Uber driver be a rape no e ma no ya je no. Court I twa say Uber driver no into $8.5 million e fa pattern ba container no so e be ye anka chebi e dia be pesika age e wo ha na mo. Ayo we see ade chen ye no. Uber driver no e be ye TikTok live e be chire nsemu.
Hey y'all, so it's been brought to my attention that people want a part 2 of the Uber Chronicles. Very strange, I guess, situation I had on yesterday. Now I'll try and play back in my head and give kind of like a rundown or run through. What are you doing, Princess? Sorry, my doggy. She wants pets right now. But so I mean, it was normal, you know. I go pick the lady up, and I mean, she seemed okay at first. So, you know, I opened the back and let her put her package in the back because that's where she wanted to put it. So I let her put her package in the back. Closed the door, got in. Now, this was the first strange thing that happened. She first sat behind the passenger seat. As I started driving, she shifts over to sit behind me, behind the driver's seat. And, you know, I tell her, hey, ma'am, you know, moving back and forth while the vehicle's moving, that's not safe. So I'd really appreciate it if you didn't do that. If you would, you know, just sit still, put your seatbelt on. Guess she wasn't really trying to hear that. So she shifted one more time back over to the passenger seat. And I told her, I was like, ma'am, could you please put your seatbelt on? She didn't want to do that. Now, I was already talking to my buddy before I picked her up. So when I talk, I use this headset. I'm a truck driver. You know, I do Uber and Lyft like on the side. So it's not my main gig. So this only covers one ear, hands free. You know, under Florida state law, that's legal. Also under Florida state law, you are allowed to talk on the phone while driving Uber. Now, some of you all have a problem with that. Fine. That's your personal preference. However, your Uber driver, they don't have to adhere to that just because you don't like it. Now, is it a nicety? Yes. But I was already talking to my buddy. Now, if I have passengers, if they talk to me, because a lot of people they get in, they don't want to talk. They just want to ride, and they could care less if you're talking to anybody on the phone. They don't really care, you know. But there are people that talk to me, and when they talk to me, I'll not talk to whoever I'm talking to on the phone, and I'll talk to them. I have a conversation with the passenger. I've done that hundreds of times, you know. I've done a lot of these rides, so this is nothing new. But yeah, so I'm talking on the phone with my buddy. Then she asked me, "Are you on the phone?" I was like, "Yeah, I'm on the phone. I'm talking to my buddy." And she's like, "Oh, are you from New York?" Like, no, I'm from Florida. I live here. I'm born and raised in Florida. And she says, "Oh, well, the only people I know that talk while they're on the phone are people from New York." I'm like, "Okay." She's like, "Well, I'm from New York." Okay. Like, me not understanding. I'm like, I don't know what this has to do with anything, but okay, all right. And she's like, "Well, I think it's rude that you're on the phone." I was like, "Well, I was on the phone before you ever got into the vehicle, and I'm allowed to be on the phone. You may think it's rude, but it's not illegal for me to be on the phone talking to my buddy. I'm well within my rights." She didn't like that. So now she starts to say, "Well, I don't feel safe." You don't feel safe? All right. Well, I told her, well, since you don't feel safe, I'll pull over to an establishment. It's during the weekday. It's in like the middle, of the day. It's like, I'll pull over to an establishment. I'll cancel the ride. You can request a new ride, and you can go wait in one of the establishments, with your things. So that way, you feel safe since you don't feel safe in my vehicle. So she tells me no. I was like, well, no, you just told me you don't feel safe. So now you have to get out of here. Like, I can't be riding around with somebody that's telling me that they don't feel safe. I don't know what you're going to do. You could call the police on me and tell them that you don't feel safe. And now I'm a black guy with this white woman that's saying she don't feel safe. I don't know what could happen from that. And I ain't trying to figure it out either. And I ain't trying to go through it. So I'm like, no, I'm going to pull over to the establishment. You can get out, get your things, and just go over there. I made sure I parked in a parking lot where there was multiple businesses. You can go over there, and wait for your new Uber. I canceled the ride. I pulled over. I'm waiting. I'm like, "Ma'am, you can go ahead and exit the vehicle." She refused. I said, "Ma'am, would you please exit the vehicle?" She refused. I said, "Okay." Then she calls Uber safety. I'm like, "Okay, so now we're doing this." I asked her one more time, "Ma'am, would you please exit the vehicle? If you do not exit the vehicle, I will call the police and have them come so that maybe they can have you exit the vehicle. I'm not putting my hands on you. I'm not touching you. I'm not doing anything. It's already to the point where you're saying you don't feel safe. So I'm not doing that." So she still refused. So now it's at the point, look, I'm a nice guy. I'm a patient guy. I'm a calm guy. I don't like being upset. I don't like being in confrontation. I don't like any of that. I avoid all that stuff. For God's sake, I wear a one-piece sweater. All right? I like video games. I like music. I don't like confrontation and all that. I'm really an introvert for real. I don't even like going out for real. So I'm like, okay. So I called the police. And I had them on the phone. I told them the whole situation, the rundown. They said they were going to send somebody. Now, as you know, in a non, I guess it wasn't really important for them because I don't know why, but it was taking a while. So I started recording. I'm like, the lady already said she don't feel safe. So I need to record. Now, for the recording, I have two vehicles. And I normally do Uber in my other vehicle, and that's where my dash cam is. I forgot. I just got this other vehicle, so I didn't purchase a secondary dash cam to put in there, which poo-poo on me. I should have paid attention. Now, I talked to the police. They said they're going to send somebody. I started recording, and that's where the video picks up. And then she starts saying all this stuff about her package and all this stuff. She don't want me to drive off with it and all that. I'm like, man, I already told you that you can take your package. Like, you can go over there before I ever started recording. Like, yo, if you don't feel safe, don't stay in here. Like, go. If I didn't feel safe around an individual or in somebody's vehicle, I'm getting out that vehicle. I'm getting away from that individual. Come on, man. But I mean, that's it. And the people that say, "Oh, you could have already taken the package out," I don't touch people's stuff, man. If I go back there and I, go to take the package out, not just you can say, "Oh, well, he's trying to destroy my, my expensive package." And the package, no lie, had cans of soda in it. Cans of soda. So come on, man. I don't touch people's stuff. But when they said that, when she was on the safety call and with the safety lady, and she was like, well, ask him if he can take it out or whatever, or he can open the door or whatever. Hey, I'll take it out, whatever I got to do to get you out of here. Because I don't like this. I don't like drama. I don't like any of this. Everybody I had before her and everybody after her had no problem with me talking to my buddy on the phone. If I was talking to him, they had no problem with anything. I'm safe. I drive safe. I don't have no record of nothing. I don't even have a speeding ticket, parking ticket. I don't have nothing. I'm one of the safest freaking people out here. So, I don't know, man. But yeah, that's it, man. Y'all just be safe out here, man. Stuff gets real crazy real fast. It was just one simple thing. But when you tell me you don't feel safe, it's time for you to exit my vehicle. Because I'm not about to keep you in there. So, yeah, that's it. Hope it cleared up any questions. If you have any more, just hit the comments like you did before. All right. Deuces. Well, hello everyone. It's me again. I realized that I don't think I said what happened at the end of the now viral Uber interaction I had. So I want to tell you all what happened, the conclusion of the matter. Well, the conclusion up to this point. Also, I want to say thank you to everyone for your support. And I mean, I know there's quite a few differences of opinions or whatever, but I really do want to thank everybody. I never imagined in a million years that this would ever happen to me. I'm just a introverted anime watching, video game playing musician slash truck driver slash Uber driver slash Lyft driver. So I mean, I really didn't expect all of this, but thank you all so much for your support. Um, yeah, like, follow, share. I guess I should probably say that. I'm not used to this. But yeah, so after I, took her package out, placed it beside the vehicle, I got back in the vehicle, and then she exited the vehicle. She grabbed her package, and she went over to one of the establishments, which I was asking her to do. I don't know, but anyways, she went over to the establishment. I sat there for a little bit because I had called the police, so I actually waited to make sure she got into another Uber um, before I called the police again. So I called the police and I told them, don't worry about it. She exited the vehicle, so it's nothing. I don't want to get the lady in trouble, nothing like that. So I just wanted her out of the vehicle. So I called them, called her off. Then I called Uber Safety, explained the whole situation, gave them the rundown on everything. And I mean, that's pretty much where it ended, honestly. I didn't want anything to happen further. I didn't want anything to happen to her. Definitely didn't want anything to happen to me. But I don't know. And yes, I do know who the lady is. I do know her name and all that. But I'm not gonna put that information on here because I don't want people going after that lady. I mean, seems like she has enough to deal with already. So I don't really want that. Um, I just want peace, man. I want people not to be in at odds with each other and not to be back and forth. I don't want it to be a race thing, a white thing, a black thing, whatever. It's a people thing at the end of the day, man. It's not black, white, or whatever. Was she a white woman? Yes. Am I a black man? Yes. But that don't mean that it was racially motivated. She could have just been having a bad day or something. I don't know. I don't know what caused this, but I'm glad it didn't go bad for either one of us. So yeah, that's the conclusion, man. Y'all like, share, follow, all that good stuff. And man, again, I appreciate everybody, man. Much love to everybody. Truly, truly, thank you.
In fact, we live in a dark world. If we ask you, emu ohu di agora wo hade a wonya ye no. Obi ebema wo ho akire wo kwa. Abra nya mfunsu bia. But the mention driver was able to act smart to at least record something for evidence sake. And never boano case bibi should anything happen away ebedi adanse ama no. Chira wa adwema me e wo comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Akra.